Hello friend, now we are in tutorial 3 in assignment model. In this tutorial 3, we learn traveling salesman problem and assignment with restriction, unit content. In tutorial 1, mathematical statement and method to solve balance problem already we learn, and in tutorial 2, unbalanced problem and maximization problem learn. Now in tutorial 3, we learn assignment with restriction and traveling salesman problem. Now, method to solve traveling salesman problem. A salesman wants to visit 1, 2, 3, 4. He does not want to visit any city twice before completing the tour of all the cities and wishes to return to his home city. Second, in order to satisfy the above condition, sometimes it is necessary to assign the location other than the 0 in final matrix. Impossible assignment or assignment with restriction. If some restriction are given on assignment, then at such location provide infinity sign so that the job could not assign at this location. This theory ask in MCQ question for 1 mark. Question number 1, traveling salesman problem. The cost of traveling from one city to another city in a rupees given below. Find the least cost of route. Already we learned methods of traveling salesman problem. Now we solve the problem. Here 5 machines and 5 workers are available. Now we see the infinity sign also given. This is combine of assignment with restriction problem. Now answer same. Already we solving the problem of balance and unbalanced problem. That's why we know the R minimum and C minimum. Simple R minimum is check whether the minimum value in a row minimum value is a 1 and this value subtract from this all of the element, and infinity sign kept as it is, do not do anything. 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus 1 4, and 7 minus 1 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. For a second row, minimum value is 2. Then 2 minus 6, 6 minus 2 4, 3 minus 2 1, and 8 minus 2 6, and 2 minus 2 is 0. For a third row, minimum value is 4. These 4 subtract from all of these, and fourth row, minimum value is 4. Then these values subtract from all these. When 4 minus 4 is 0, simple. And for fifth row, minimum value is 1. This value subtract from all of these. 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 8 minus 1 is 7. Now we calculate C minimum. For a C minimum, R minimum table is used. Means the current table is used. Don't use this table for calculating C minimum. Now see the C minimum. In a column check whether minimum value. The minimum value is 0. That's why the column will be same. In the second column minimum value is 0. Then second column also be same. But here third column minimum value is 1. This one subtract from all of these. Here 0, 1, and then 0 and 3 comes. Now minimum value here 0, same column come, and minimum value 0, same column comes. Now see check whether then same here 0 1 0 3. Now we calculate the allocation by using the C minimum table. Allocations, I will calculate here allocations. First see here same rules. When 2 zeros are available in a row, then it leave it and go for second row. Where 1 0 is available, then select it, and available zeros on a rows and column check, and it will be deleted. Simple. Here I will show first 1 0 available in the first row, then selected, and available 0 in a column, I will delete it. And in the second row 1 0 is available, already this 0 deleted, that's why no issue. Here second 1 0 is available 0 is deleted. And third row 1 0 is available, selected, and available 0 don't available, that's why no issue. Here only 1 0 available, selected, and here also this 0 is deleted. That's why here only 1 0 available, then selected. Then 5 allocations are correct. Here see, 1 visited to 5th city means 5 machines, and second visited to the third machine. I will selected those, and third visited to fourth machine, and fourth visited to second machine, fifth visited to first machine. That's why we check the route of the man to visit the machine. First visit 5, then 2 visit third 4 4 2 and 5 1. Then this route is not correct. That's why I carried out new allocation. Already we understand the rules of the traveling salesman problem. Visit a one city at only once, don't visit the twice. That's why first visit 5th, this is a correct, and second visit 3rd, this is also correct, but here third visited, here show new sequence 1 2 3 4, first visited to second. Now here we by mistake here don't selected first with second, and second visited to third, and third visited to fourth, fourth visited to fifth, and fifth visited to one. This will be interchange only here. Don't zero selected nothing, but here any one element will be there selected, and we get the correct sequence or a correct route to visit the all machine at a once time, only one. Now calculate the total cost. Total cost is 15 rupees. Now we see the second question. The cost of the traveling salesman, the cost of the traveling from one city to another city in a rupees given below. Find the least cost of the route. Here 6 machines and 6 workers are given. 6 machines and 6. First we calculate the R minimum. Same, minimum available element is 20. 20 is the minimum value, then these values subtract from all of these, and here 19 is minimum, and here 15 is minimum, and in fourth row 16 minimum, and in fifth row 10 minimum, and here 12 minimum. These are minimum value, subtract from everyone. Now calculate the C minimum. C minimum in first column 2 is minimum value, in second 0, and in third also 0, fourth 0, fifth 4, and sixth is 0. Then these values subtract from value. Now calculate C minimum. After C minimum we getting the allocations. Same rule, when only 1 0 is available, then select it, and available 0 delete it. That means I will delete it, and 2 0 leave it. Only 1 0 select it, available 0 deleted. No, but issue here already deleted. In fifth selected, no available 0. That's why issue 2 zeros are available. That's why select first and delete it. And this is already selected. Here this is selected. Then 6 machine 6 worker, then only 5 allocation will be corrected. Then we use the line by method. Already we use in balance and unbalanced problem. Same here also we use for correct allocation getting. That's why 5 allocation we get, then number of line is equal to number of allocation. Therefore now we check whether all zeros are covered by using the 5 lines, 3 lines, 4 line, and 5th line. I will cover the all zeros. By mistake these lines are going upper side, and so these line going upper side. These line will be here, and these line will be here. You correct it. Then new allocation. Same 2 0 leave it, then select 1 0. Same 2 0 2 0 leave it, therefore only 1 0 select, available 0. 2 0 leave it, only 1 0 select. Then we get the sequence. First visited to second, second visited to first, then it will return it home. Then it is not correct. Again third visited to fourth, fourth visited to fifth visited to sixth, sixth visited to third. Then for new allocation we corrected the sequence again, only simple. check it. First visited to third, then it will be selection will be shifted to here third. First visited to third, and second visited to first visited to third, third visited to fourth, it is same. Fourth visited to fifth, fifth visited to sixth, and sixth visited to, this will be shifted to here second, and second visited to first. Then worker are cover the all machine at a once time, that is the correct sequence. Now we getting the total cost is 110. This is a simple problem. We get correct sequence, we can interchange after solving the problem and after getting the correct allocations. Now we are ending the tutorial 3. Thank you.